is going on YouTube? I am back with another video, you guys, and we are at the drag strip. Got a little ugly outside in the heat. It's like 100 degrees, but we got a lineup of Mustangs. I'm gonna show you a few of the cars. We're gonna talk about racing. We're gonna go see some racing, but first and foremost, let's check out the race cars. So a couple of the first ones you'll see are on true radials, exhaust cutouts, ice tanks, Cobra with a wing and a parachute, welds, twin turbo. That's insane. You don't see these builds often in Kuwait, but you can see super clean car. Then we got another Hellion turbo. Cutouts, but that's insane. And what I didn't notice on this one, I actually passed it up. This is a turbo as well. You can tell by the exhaust cutouts in the front, but it also has nice welds on the rear. I think all of these cars are turboed with a parachute. Well, let's check out some of the non-crowd killers, the Corvettes. So we have a Z06. We have a dual high ram intake. We have another Z06 with my favorite color blue, running nitrous. Carbon fiber hood, crazy spec. Then we have some more Chevys, fuel tank, ice tank, cutouts. Probably a bigger motor with a high ram, maybe even a turbo. Yep, turbo. A lot of turbo cars out here today. And of course, a nice Corvette. And if you know me, you know I'm always gonna find one now that I own one. Carbon fiber package. Championship edition. Then we have a Mustang with a bunch of carbon fiber trunk, door, hood, and a nice big turbo in the front. And if you know me, I'm a big fan of Ford Star and the F14, so I think this setup looks good. He's got lightweight brakes on the rear and the front. This is a clean setup, still has the full catback exhaust, boiler. Not a bad setup for a Mustang. And finally, we are at the car that caught my eye on the way in here. We have a yellow Z06 with a huge intake. Weld setup. All the way around. Hopefully we get to see this run on the track this afternoon. And of course we have twins. We got two Godzillas, twin turbos, and I'm slowly learning about the GTR platform and what they're capable of. Shout out to Pro Race of Kuwait, but two all-wheel drive monsters. And we have this piece kind of just hanging out. You can see the aftermarket intercoolers, super clean weld wheels that he got powder coated, billet specs. I guarantee you this car has 1,000, maybe more. And just to suffice my Mopar lovers, right? We have a 392, I'm not sure what's in it, SRT with huge rear tires. And then of course a fully gutted Jeep with plastic. I don't know if you can tell, but that is plastic. Fully gutted, one seat Jeep. But they got cars long all the way down, but we're gonna check out some racing for you guys, so let's dial in. Remember what I said about Pro Race Performance earlier in the video. They build some crazy cars, and it looks like this is a 2JZ turbo car, which is insane, in a Nissan Patrol. right, YouTube, y'all saw some races. Y'all saw some race cars. I gotta get this one some food. We are out. Make sure you hit that subscription button. Go.